Hi, this is Martin, and this is a little demo tutorial for an iPhone application that I've created to help you to keep up to date with the Revelation blogs and the discussion forums while you're on the move. Now, it runs on iPhones and iPod Touches. I'm running this on iPod Touch, and it also runs on smartphones running the Android operating system. So it's very easy to use. You simply need to go into Safari. And let's just get rid of that for the moment. And you need to navigate to a particular URL, which is m.wbx.me/revsoft-news. And that will go away and it will run up the application in your Safari browser. And once it's run up and finished loading, then you can press the plus sign down here and add that to the home screen. Just select RevSoft News, which is the name, so click the add button and you are done. You then get the little RevSoft News icon that appears down here. You can then click on that. It will then launch the application. You get a little splash screen while it runs up. It takes just a few seconds first time you run it up. So here we are. Along the bottom there are a number of icons. So I've got my blog, access to the RevSoft YouTube channel, Twitter, Spezzatura blog and more. So the first one we've got here is my blog, and what you can do in here, for instance, is have a look at enhanced TCL. Now there is a bug in here that the developers are looking at, and you can't very easily scroll. So if you scroll, it actually snaps back. But what you can do is click on the title, and that will then go away and it will render a nicely formatted representation of that particular page that you can then look through. So we've got it here. And then when you've finished, you can click back, and then that takes you back to the main window. If we find a smaller message in here, so trapping the edit table mouse, if it's a smaller message, then you get to read the full article at the bottom, and you can click that to read the full article. So that's my blog. We've also got a link to my YouTube channel, and that gives you access to all of the videos that I've got at the moment. I'm running a number of quick start guide videos at the moment, and you can just click on these. It takes you through to the main window, and then if you were to click on the YouTube video, then it will actually run that in your iPhone application using the YouTube rendering software. So very straightforward. So when we're done, we'll come back out of there and we'll go back into our application. And then the next one across the bottom is Twitter. Now I do publish bits and pieces on Twitter from time to time, and this is a nice way of keeping up to date with videos that I've uploaded, conference updates, news items about Revelation. And I've also got a link to Spezzatura's blog as well. So this is bringing a lot of the Revelation related resources together, and that works the same way as my blog. Hitting more will give you access to a number of other items. So if I was, for instance, to click on, I've got the Revelation website, news and info, online discussion and the works discussion. So I could go to the online discussion here, and that will go away and it will give me a list of topics, and I can click on any one topic. And if I go to read the full article, then that will take me to Revelation's website where it will ask me to log in. So I can then just log in and I can get into that particular thread online, and I can browse that from my phone while I'm on the move. Okay, so just click on more again. So we've got news and info link, we've got the online discussion, the works discussion. We've also got maps. Now they don't work on the iPod Touch, but on the iPhone, if you're in London and you want to know where we are, you can click on that, it will give us our address. And we've also got a link to multi-value jobs as well there, so I know that a lot of you like to keep up to date with people that are moving around in the marketplace, so that's there as well. So quite a few bits and pieces in there. Hopefully I'm bringing a lot of the useful resources together in this application. If there are any online resources, blogs, RSS feeds, YouTube videos that I should be linking to in here, then please let me know. my email address mp@revsoft.co.uk. Drop me an email and I'll be glad to get the application updated, so long as it's within my technical ability, or one of the developers can do it for me. Anyway, the application is free. Download it, and if you've got an iPhone or an iPod Touch, then you'll be away. Thanks very much. Bye bye.